Okay, student, today we are going to learn new chapter. That is chapter number 2, operation involving large number. This is your math subject. Okay, class 5. So, in this chapter we are generally solve some large number according to its operation. What is operation? The symbol which are given in between the two number, that is either addition, subtraction, multiplication or division, is called operation. So first we are going to know the operation of addition. Okay, the chapter itself tell what types of operation involved during this. We already know that in this chapter we are involving addition, subtraction, multiplication types operation on very large number, such as, for example, if we take the following example, that is example number 1. If the question is given add means addition. Okay, add 552 35 165 and 223 60 and 135. If these are the number given, this is 1 2 3, sorry, okay, 1 2 3. If these are the number given and the operation tells you that is add, that means you have to apply the operation addition in between these two numbers. So how we are going to do it? It's very simple. I hope every student know how to add any number. Okay, so if some student don't know, then please watch very carefully. First we have to write the digit as given below according to its proper format, that is we have to provide period symbols, okay, with the reference of its place value. As you already learned in place value chart how we can arrange any number in proper format. So I hope you know that this comma symbol must be applied in a large number. Okay, it's make our simplification or operation very simple. So after writing down the first number, we have to write down the second number according to its place value. That is, here comes 3 2 1, then comma, then 0, then 6, then comma, then 3, then 2, then comma, then 2. And the operation is given which type? Addition. So we add the addition symbol. Okay. Now we have to add the following number. 5 plus 3, 8. 6 plus 2, how much? 8. 1 plus 1, 2, comma, 5 plus 0, 5. 3 plus 6, 9, comma, 2 plus 3, 5, and 5 plus 2, 7, again comma, and 5 plus 2, 7. So this is your final answer, after which operation we have done? Addition operation we have done. Okay, so 7 7 5 9 5 2 8 8. This is the number comes after performing the following operation. And how we can read it? It's called it's called ones, it's called tens, it's called 100, it's called 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, and this is called crore. So how we can read? 7 crore 75 lakh 95,288 in words. Okay, we have already covered this topic, how we can convert any number into word format. Okay, so I hope you know it very well. So in this chapter we are generally perform various types of operation in large number. Okay, large number means digit will be greater. So if this type of problem is given, then you have to solve the given problem according to this. Okay, now we are moving on next type of problem, that is subtraction. In subtraction also we have to perform the same types of rule while solving any problem. Okay. Suppose if the example is given like this, subtract 235 again comma 28 214 and 589 comma 69675. Suppose this number are given and the operation is given subtract. That means we have to subtract first digit to second one. Okay, how we can solve it? First we have to write down the digit sequence wise, then we write down the next digit sequence wise by placing its digits as well as its period also. Okay, 9 6 then 9 8 and then 5. Now if the question is given like this, okay, then you have to subtract first number to second. Okay, so when we subtract the following number, then what will be the outcome comes? 14 minus 5, how much? Sorry, this is the smallest number and this is largest number. So in subtraction, we always subtract larger one to smallest one. So in this case, we have to subtract this number to this number. That is the smallest one is this number. And now we apply the following process. When we subtract 5 minus 1, 4, 1, 6, 6 minus 2, 4, 1, 4, 4, 5, here comes 5 and here comes 3. And what will be the symbol? Minus. Why I put the symbol minus? Because we have subtracting from this digit to this one. Its symbol is plus 2, okay, and this symbol is minus 5. Okay, so whenever we subtract, I hope you learned integer. In integer what we do, if number is suppose given like this, then we always subtract. If one is positive and other is negative, then we have to subtract each other. In that case we write down here 8, but we put the symbol who has greater value, that is 10 has minus symbol, so we put minus. In this case also minus 5 is given because we are subtracting first number to second one. So minus 5, 8, 9, 6, 9, 6, 7, 5 is given, plus 2, 3, 5 is given. So we subtract from larger to second one, but we always apply the symbol whose number is greatest. That is, this one is greatest, that's why we apply this number. But suppose if the question in here, if we replace the AND value from, then what will be the outcome? Then outcome will be reversed. How? Then in this case, whenever from is written, then we have to subtract from this number to this number. That is, now we are subtracting from this number. That is, this number will become positive and this number will become negative. Okay. So when we subtract from this number to this number, answer will be the same, but here the symbol will be changed. Now the largest number has positive symbol, so we apply here plus symbol. Okay, that's why I have solved it two way. So you should not confuse. If first number is smallest and second number is largest, and the in between them AND condition is given. Okay, AND condition is given, then you have to subtract from largest number to second one, but always put the symbol of the largest number. That is, when AND is given, then symbol will be negative, but when from is written, then we have to subtract this number to this one and symbol will become positive. Okay, I hope you understand it. Now the second types of question under chapter 2 is word problem. In word problem, certain instruction is given like this, and you have to solve the following problem according to the instruction. Okay. So how we can solve such types of problem? It's very easy. We have to understand the instruction first. In this question, what is given? It asks find the number which is more than 35,28,362. That means 35,28,362 from 6,63,18,961. There is a number which is greater than by this number from this number. So how we can find it? If you don't know the number, then we suppose let the required number be x. It means this is our required number. If we subtract this number to this number, then we get this number. So we will subtract x minus 6, 6318961. We get the result this one, 35,28,362. Now if we find out the value of x, this minus symbol change when it goes to right side, that is it becomes plus 663,18961, and when we perform addition of these two numbers, the answer will be 69,847, comma 323. Okay, very simple. Nothing has to be done. We have to always assume the required number will be x, and when we subtract this number to this one, it will become this one. Why we are subtracting here? Because this given number is greater than how much? This number. So to find out the required number, we have to add this number to this one, and we get the following answer. I hope you understand very well. Okay, so it will be very easy. You can solve it by yourself. Thank you. Have a nice day.